Hi everyone, my name is Christy and here is my puppy Dexter. And welcome to my Spring 2021 FABFITFUN unboxing. I'm so excited to see what's in this huge box. I mean, this is a very standard size box for FABFITFUN, but if you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, it's a seasonal lifestyle subscription box. I've been getting it for a long time. I get the annual membership, but if you sign up for the season to season box, it's $49.99. And it's a little bit cheaper if you have the annual subscription. You also get more customization options when you have the annual subscription. I used to have the FABFITFUN like affiliate link and code, discount code, but I don't have that anymore. So I don't even have a code or a link to give you for further discount. But I'm sure there's a lot of influencers out there or podcast ads that have the discount codes. But how cute is this spring box? I always hold on to my FABFITFUN boxes. I actually have a couple of them under my work from home station setup as my like little monitor risers. I have them on top of my FABFITFUN boxes because they're so cute. My box definitely feels light this month, but let's go ahead and see what's in here. Cute, some stickers. And of course, there's the magazine. FABFITFUN is so good at giving really great product information, and they give information on every product that was even an option this month. But I'm surprised, usually they have a celebrity on the cover and there's like a charitable aspect. They are partnering with One Tree Planted, so there is still that charitable aspect, but usually there's like some female celebrity on the front. Oh! So cute. The first product on top here looks like some floral hair clips, maybe. These are from the brand Each, designed with love in New York. Each Jewels. Some very cute floral hair clips. And wow, these are some expensive hair clips. These retail for $30. It reminds me of that hair accessory subscription box that I recently unboxed called Pink Box because it was a floral theme this month. So these go along perfectly with all those other hair accessories I just got. Next, from the brand Monroe. Let's see what this is. Cute case. Ooh, it's a really beautiful watch. And you know, I think it's about time I wear a new watch because I've been wearing this Fitbit for a long time and I can't update the time, like it's a little bit slow, so it kind of bothers me. So it's not even like serving any purpose anymore. But this watch is beautiful. I love the gray with the rose gold. And something that I really look for in my watches is that there's a notch for each number. I don't like when it's just like no notches, if that makes any sense, but that way it's easier to read. Oh my gosh, it seemed like a really expensive high quality watch, and it says that this Monroe classic watch in Sunburst Soleil Rose retails for $105. Holy moly. Next up, oh my gosh, perfect. I need some new makeup remover rounds. Currently, I am using the Face Silk ones, which I absolutely love, but I've been using them for so long, like probably like 2 years at least, and now they're stained and not working as well, so I definitely need to replace them. So this is really perfect timing for me to get these. Oh, these are very soft and so cute. From the brand Say Hello, reusable beauty rounds. But I love the reusable makeup remover rounds type things. I have not used makeup wipes or bought makeup wipes in a very long time. I would say at least a year, because I've just transitioned completely to reusable ones. And I also have been using reusable cotton rounds for like probably 5 years now. So I haven't used cotton balls in forever. So these Say reusable beauty rounds 3-pack retails for $15. That's actually pretty reasonably priced considering how much use you get out of them and how they'll end up saving you money in the long run. They're better for the environment. So I'm sure you'll see these in my makeup videos very soon. Next, we have Suns Out, Pouts Out 4-piece of gold foil lip masks. I love a lip mask for my dry lips. And so these lip masks are from the brand SF Glow, which I'm not familiar with. Never heard of them. Suns Out, Pouts Out lip mask. And this looks like it's a 4-pack. Yeah, retails for $16. I'm so excited to try those out as part of my little mask moment that I try and do weekly. So then I'll update you on how those are in probably my next month's empties video. Next, from the brand Grown Alchemist body cream. Ooh, I've been getting low on my current body cream. Ooh, nice packaging. So this is in the scent Mandarin and Rosemary Leaf and retails for $26. My hands are dry, no surprise, so I want to test a little bit of this out. Ooh, it does have a very nice smell. And it smells kind of unique, like with so many different notes that I'm getting. Like at first it seems very citrusy, but then it smells like candy, but then it smells like floral. Ooh, that is nice. It's like changes every time I smell it, but ooh, very moisturizing. I like the feel of it. I love a body cream. Next, this is from the brand Gloss Moderne. Clean Luxury Collection, Clean Luxury Hair Mask. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I love hair masks. I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair, so like 2 times a week. It says use weekly or daily and leave on hair for as long as desired. Rinse, get glossed. So you apply it to washed hair for 5 minutes or even overnight and then rinse. Interesting. I'm excited to try this out because I just finished up one of my hair masks. I do have a few others that I'm excited to try out, but I'm excited to try this one out as well. I already have like 3 in my shower, so I should resist putting this into my shower, but I might not be able to resist and I might want to try this out right away. I love how it always seems like you get so much in your FabFitFun box, and so far every product is a product that I'm so excited about that I'm definitely going to use. Oh, this is from the brand Pure. I love Pure. It's the Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Oh, I'm not even too sure how I would use this. And even reading how to use it sounds confusing, but it says, dispense dry oil onto the palms and apply to the face and body after cleansing and moisturizing. So you put it on top of your moisturizer. I would never think that. It says for the best results on the face, apply under foundation to achieve a radiant, lit from within glow. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. Well, you know, I might have to try this out as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series and do a full review video trying this out under my foundation. But oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. It does, now that I see it, it kind of makes more sense. Like, it looks sparkly, but just like maybe a glowy primer type product. But it's interesting that it's called a dry oil. But yeah, I'm gonna resist trying it right now and save it for that upcoming full dedicated review video. But this Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil retails for $28. And lastly, I remember seeing these on social media and thinking they were so cute and that I really wanted them. So I'm really excited about these adorable slippers. I love slippers, and these seem like great ones for the warmer months. And these are from the brand Splendid. So cute. I've definitely gotten slippers from FabFitFun in the past. So the Splendid Faux Fur slippers in crystal pink retail for $48. I'm just looking at all of the products that you could have gotten, and there are so many cute products in here. I just love FabFitFun and their aesthetic and their selections. Like, it's always on trend, but very practical, usable products. And that's exactly how I feel about my spring box. I am seriously so happy with everything. I feel like most of the time there's at least like 1 or 2 products that I'm like, oh, I'm probably not going to use this and I'll just re-gift it or something. But every single product I got is something that I personally am going to use. So let me do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the slippers, the hair mask, the body cream, the Pure Illuminating Face and Body Oil, these reusable cotton rounds, the lip masks, and these floral hair clips. Oh, and there's even more, I forgot. And the watch, which I'm so excited about. I can't believe I forgot about the watch. It's like one of my favorite things that I got. Although I can't even really say which one is my favorite because I seriously love everything and I can't wait to use them. Yay. So if you've tried any of these products out yet, definitely let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. I feel like that always makes me even more excited about my products when I hear how much you all love them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.